Qingdao Shengyi Rubber and Plastic Products Company Limited was established in 2009 and has developed in tandem with market requirements for pneumatic tire, motorcycles tire, ATV tire, and solid tire around the world. Stands as a leading global manufacturer, renowned for high-quality, durable tires. Rooted in a philosophy of innovation and technological advancement, we are dedicated to excellence in every facet of our operations. Our advanced production lines, equipped with cutting-edge technology, enable us to serve a wide range of industries worldwide. We take pride in offering customized tire solutions that cater to the specific needs of our clients, ensuring performance, longevity, and excellence in every tire. We have cooperated with well-known brands and Fortune 500 companies for many years, and our service and product quality stability have been recognized by them. Our one-stop tire solutions bring you worry-free purchasing experience and long-term cooperation trust. Choose Shengyi Tire for unparalleled efficiency and quality in tire solutions. Our range of tires is crafted considering your operational needs, offering high durability, cost-effectiveness, and exceptional performance. Designed to meet the diverse requirements across various sectors, our tires ensure you stay ahead in your market, covering an area of 27,547 square meters. It has 3 large production bases, a total of 300 large mixing machines, vulcanizing machines, and extruders, with an annual production capacity of 20 million tires. Win-win cooperation. We are waiting for you.